Hey guys, welcome to Explain It All. In our channel, we'll be covering a wide range of topics and explaining the basis of daily science and day-to-day phenomena. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing and stay tuned for new videos. Welcome to this video where you get to learn electronics through Arduino. This is the first video in a video series that we are creating, and we're gonna cover through what Arduino is. So, what exactly is Arduino? Arduino is an Italy-based open source prototyping platform. So this company builds microcontroller boards which you can code, and the boards perform the functions as per coded. So a few of the famous boards from Arduino are the Arduino Mega 2560, and then we have the Arduino Uno R3. So in our video series we are going to be using the Arduino Uno R3 since it's the easiest to work with and it has a good amount of analog and digital pins. So it's the perfect choice for beginners. We also have the Arduino Nano, the Arduino Mini, and even smaller the Arduino Pro Mini. And another popular company which makes these microcontroller boards is the ST Microelectronics, or popularly known as the STMs. So the STM company makes the popular STM series of boards, and the most commonly used STM board is the STM32 microcontroller. So what exactly is a microcontroller? A microcontroller, or more commonly referred to as the MCU or the microcontroller unit, is actually a compact integrated circuit chip that is designed to perform particular pre-programmed function. So what this means is that you upload certain code into it, it processes that code and gives the output. So this is the Arduino Uno. As I said before, we'll be using this board. Now the first thing you need to do in order to get your hands onto Arduino is to install the Arduino IDE software. So this software helps in coding and uploading the codes to the board. So in order to install it, you just simply have to open your browser and type arduino.cc. So this is the official website of the Arduino. Now for downloading it, you have to go to the software tab, and under that there's the downloads. Click on downloads, it will take us here. So here we can see the Arduino web editor and the IDE. So the web editor is basically the same as the IDE. Both are like softwares where you can code, but the web editor you need internet access in order to work with it. You don't have to install anything for the web editor, but you have to have an internet connection. For the IDE, you don't need the internet connection. You can work on it offline, but you need to install it. So in order to install it, we just have to click this link. If you're on Windows, if you're on Mac, click the link. So that's it. And once you've completed the setup, this is the Arduino icon, and this is how it will look like. So this is the place where you code. This is the environment where you get to code, and what void setup is, what void loop is, we'll discuss all that in coming videos. So be sure to stay tuned and subscribe to our channel so that you receive notifications whenever we post new videos.